And if you didn't know, now you know. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to the nation, cousin. Alright, y'all, so today is Saturday, which means that I do what? I do nothing but run errands, because y'all already know on Sundays, I don't even come out my apartment. I be hibernating like a motherfucker, like, period. But y'all, we really don't have that much to do today. I just gotta I'm gonna be driving my boyfriend's car, of course, so we have to go get a car wash. That's number one. We gotta go get a tire for his car. I gotta go to Walmart because I'm finna make some stuffed shells tomorrow, and it's gonna be my first time making stuffed shells. I don't know why I'm feeling like a little Martha Stewart type motherfucker, like Philly Boy J cooking with Tammy. I don't know, but I've been cooking a lot lately. Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, I've been cooking a lot lately. But y'all, yes, y'all, I don't know, we just got a lot. Yeah, we got a lot to do today. And I'm not gonna be with my sister today because her and her family, they're gonna go handle business or whatever. And it's just me by my lonesome self because I don't really hang out with people. I don't trust people, so it's just me. Yeah, so we finna get ready and head out the door. It is 9:09. We finna head out the door, whatever, y'all, and we just finna get this day started, because if we don't get it started now, I'm never gonna do it, ever. But y'all, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that splash notification button so y'all can be notified each time I drop a video. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, B-Nation, so I dropped Bay car off back to the apartments because he has an Infinity, which is like a sports mode car. His Infinity specifically is like a sports mode car, and I can't get into it. So I dropped his car off. I'm sitting in my car now. I'm finna get ready and head to Walmart because y'all already know we're finna make us some stuffed shells tomorrow for Sunday dinner, but I gotta do that. I gotta go to Citi Trends because I need me some more scrubs, scrubs, tops, bottoms, all that. And then y'all, I want to go to this place. It's called Soul Food Fantasy, located in Tampa, Florida. Y'all, this has some good ass soul food, and baby, I'm finna go there today because I'm dolo today. I'm by myself. I'm so sad, but I ain't sad. Y'all know, y'all see me, y'all see my sister, but yeah, we finna get into this video. We finna go to Walmart. We finna go to Walmart. Yeah.
1 hour later. A few moments later. Hours later.
Okay, B-Nation, so yes, we went to Soul Food Fantasy, and we have some jerk turkey wings underneath yellow rice, the cracked macaroni and cheese, collard greens, candy yams, flapjack, which is like a cornbread or whatever, strawberry crunch cake, and of course the mystery drink. Yeah, I am gonna dog this food, and I'm actually gonna eat on this all day because it is a lot, like a lot. So you're gonna be eating on this all day, and yeah, baby. If y'all is located in Tampa, Florida, come and get y'all some. Look, this drink, so good.